How to Invest in Stocks by Peter Lynch, Master the Stock Market with Proven Strategies. Welcome to today's video, where we dive into one of the most insightful books on investing, How to Invest in Stocks by the legendary Peter Lynch. Whether you're just getting started in the stock market or looking to refine your investing skills, Peter Lynch's advice is timeless and incredibly valuable for anyone who wants to make smarter investment decisions. Peter Lynch is renowned for turning the Fidelity Magellan Fund into one of the most successful investment funds in history, and in this book, he shares the wisdom that helped him achieve extraordinary success. From his approach to analyzing stocks to his personal investing philosophy, Lynch's method is easy to understand and apply, making it perfect for both beginners and experienced investors alike. So, what can you expect from this video? We'll break down Peter Lynch's most important concepts for successful investing. Here's a sneak peek at what we'll cover. The power of doing your own research. Lynch emphasizes the importance of understanding the companies you invest in. He shares how you don't need to be a Wall Street expert to pick winning stocks. Instead, focus on the businesses you know well. It's all about spotting trends and recognizing opportunities in everyday life. The "by what you know" strategy. Lynch famously advocates for investing in companies that you are already familiar with. By using your own knowledge and experience, you can spot potential winners before they become popular. Lynch himself invested in companies like Dunkin' Donuts and Ford, simply because he was able to see their growth potential before the market did. Understanding the different types of stocks. Not all stocks are created equal. Peter Lynch introduces readers to various types of stocks, from fast growers to slow growers, and explains how to identify them. This knowledge can help you build a diversified portfolio that matches your financial goals. Patience pays off. Lynch believes in long-term investing. He shares how patience and keeping your emotions in check can lead to massive returns over time. In a world obsessed with quick wins, his philosophy of holding on to stocks for the long haul is a breath of fresh air. The importance of a stock's story. Lynch teaches how to evaluate a company based on its story, not just its financials. When you understand the story behind a company, its goals, challenges, and growth potential, you'll be able to make more informed decisions and predict how it might perform in the future. Risk management. Lynch doesn't ignore the risks involved in investing, but he provides a clear, practical way of managing them. He teaches how to build a resilient portfolio and avoid making emotional decisions when the market fluctuates. Why should read the book? If you've ever been overwhelmed by stock market jargon or confused by financial reports, Peter Lynch's book will simplify investing for you. His down-to-earth approach to stock picking and market analysis is the key to building a successful, long-term investment strategy. So if you're ready to learn from one of the greatest investors of all time and start building wealth with confidence, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to tap the bell icon so you never miss out on more expert financial insights.